All right, guys, we're going to do the next 2.5 weeks. We're going to be incorporating some electronics into our Onshape lessons. Just a quick intro to Tinkercad. You do have to actually create an account, use your school email, just take out the apps out of your email. So it's DISD student ID at dickinsonISD.org. Make an easy password that you won't forget. This is going to be the screen that you see. It's going to be the you're going to be on 3D design. You want to make sure you switch over to circuits, and we're going to create a circuit. So you're going to type in breadboard, bring that out. I like it. I like this vertical so I can see my columns and rows. So if you look on this, these are columns and these are rows. This is how you hook in your wires. You'll be working with these probably right before the winter break. You'll be actually getting breadboards. So you got to put in your battery. We're going to type in power, bring out your 9-volt battery, rotate that around, and we're going to bring in a push button. These things are kind of tricky, and I'll show you what I mean by that. And the motor, we have about 3 dozen of these motors. I'm going to show you how to put that in and hook that up. We're going to rotate that around, and you'll notice that you got a positive and negative, positive and negative. Now I'm going to show you how to hook this thing up. So first you hover over the red, click, click, and click, color code it red, click, 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 color code it black. There you go. All right, now we're going to rotate this. If you see the terminals, these are going vertical. You want these to go horizontal. You want them to you want these to be along with the rows. So this is going along this row. This is going along this row. But with these push buttons, you have to go you have to go kitty corner. You don't go from here to here because it'll keep the circuit turned on, and you want to control the circuit with this. So we're going to bring the ground wire over to this side, color code that, and we're going to bring the other ground wire over to that side, color code that, and we're going to bring the red over. This is your power, and hook that up. See how I hooked it up to the positive red column, color code, and then we're going to splice this in here, color code, splice that in there, color code, and start your simulation. You see nothing's going on with the motor until you push the button. And we got some kind of problem here. Let's see here. Alright, so power is going in here, which goes here, which goes there, there, there. And this is going to go here. Oh, this. Oh, I got to stop the simulation. And then bring this. It's got to go over here. There we go. Because we're on columns. Those columns got to line up. So we're going to press that. Nothing's going on. 0 RPM, revolutions per minute. Click on that, and you have 286 revolutions per minute. If I want to put in a resistor, bring in a resistor, and I'm going to make this resistor, let's go 25 ohms. And we're going to put the resistor on the ground side. We're going to bring this in. So the terminal of the resistor is on the same row as the terminal of the switch, and then this has got to be on the hold on. This has got to be on the same row as the resistor. There you go. So it was 286 RPM without the resistor. With the resistor, it's going to be 138 RPM. So the resistor actually protects the circuit from overheating. Also protects the motor from overheating as well. If you got too much voltage going in, the motor might not be rated for that much voltage, but the resistor will actually bring the amount of current down. And you saw how we adjusted the resistance and how it brought the RPM down as well. So there you go. This is your first assignment. I think Monday we'll be setting up your account and going through some basics of Tinkercad electronics, and then Tuesday we'll be building this, and then Wednesday I'll make this due, and then we're also going to be doing some on-shape as well. We're going to do the scissor lift with the on-shape. And so in theory, we'll learn how to do electronics, put a motor to a scissor lift, and see if the motor is powerful enough to lift up like a textbook or something using a scissor lift, which we can create from on-shape and actually make that the physical scissor lift out of popsicle sticks and the wooden dowels that we have in the classroom. Anyway, so have fun with this, and we'll see you guys next week.